to in the kitchen. In the kitchen with a slight difference because I'm actually upstairs in the office. Well, there we go. But in this video, I wanted to continue the theme of pot snacks, and in particular pot noodle. The reason why I said that is because I always find it interesting this time of year. You'll go around the supermarkets and you'll see things like pot noodles on offer. And what I'll do, because I know people actually like them, is put a post say on Facebook or even on the website saying pot noodles 50p, Asda. And I do get quite a lot of responses by saying, oh great, you know, thanks for letting me know, and after I'll go and purchase them. But equally, I do actually get comments which is basically, oh no, not pot noodle, I'd rather die than eat a pot noodle. So why is it that they can sell millions and millions but still get a mixed review? So if we have a look at a pot noodle and we look at the side, I think the secret really is in the cooking. And if you look at the instructions, basically say, take the lid off, add water, and then add the sachet, wait for a couple of minutes, give it a stir, give it a couple of more minutes, and then it's ready. What I found is that when you try it like this, is that it can actually taste bland, the noodles can taste a little bit hard in places, and generally it can taste undercooked. So, looking at other pot snacks, and in particular if you look on the internet and on YouTube, a lot of people's posted videos, and basically what's suggested, and as we're going to do here, remove the lid only halfway and then add the boiling water. Now simply put the lid back on and give it between 5 and 10 minutes. I tend to go for about 10 minutes. What this does, not only is it got hot water in there which is going to cook the noodles at the bottom, it's also then going to use the steam to cook the noodles. So instead of all the steam and potential flavours escaping, what we're doing is that we're actually keeping it within the pot. Also what I tend to do is add a little bit of butter, and as we can tell there, it's 0 gram butter, so it's no calories in there, obviously. And a little bit of extra soy sauce. So what we need to do now is open the lid and then add the extra butter, add the soy sauce, and then add the sachet. It actually looks quite saucy, and trying it this way I can say that it does taste quite a lot better. So there we go. So the next time that you want pot noodle, then try cooking it this way. So once again, thank you for watching the video. With pot noodle there will be another one coming out very soon, and really it's time to address actual why is pot noodle now one of the unhealthiest snacks, and why have we got carbohydrates in there. If this way is better cooking it, then why are these instructions not on the pot snack or the pot noodle rather than the traditional way that they've been doing since 1979? Surely times move on. Well, it's time to make it healthier, and perhaps it's time to change the way that they cook the product just to make it more tastier and to keep up with times. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like and subscribe, we very much appreciate it. It does support the channel. And also if you visit the website, there's quite a number of recommended services there now. Anything from organic, fruit and veg, right the way through to having your nails done and massage. So well worth having a look at nadiet.info. But until next time, take care and we'll see you soon.
If you have enjoyed this video, then please provide your support by liking this video and subscribing to this YouTube channel. If you are watching on Facebook, then please like and share this video with your family and friends. And as always, thank you for viewing.